In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emoji on Clickup. For those of you who are all about making your project management efforts not only efficient, but also a bit more vibrant and personalized, this tutorial is perfect for you. Clickup, as many of you know, is a comprehensive app designed to streamline your work processes, and adding emojis is just one way to make your communications within Clickup more expressive and fun. So let's dive into the process. First and foremost, you'll need to navigate to Clickup. This might seem straightforward, but remember, Clickup is continuously updating its interface to make it more intuitive, so it's always good to start from the beginning. Visit Clickup's website. You can do this by searching for Clickup, the Everything app for work, in your preferred web browser. The link should take you directly to the main page of Clickup. Once you're on the Clickup page, the next step is to log in to your account. If you're already a user, this will be familiar territory. Click on the login link and proceed to enter your email address associated with your Clickup account. After your email, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Make sure you enter the details correctly to avoid any login issues. Remember, a strong password is key to keeping your workspace secure. After successfully entering your email and password, you'll see the login button. Click it to access your Clickup dashboard. This is where the magic happens, your gateway to managing projects, tasks, and much more. Now that you are logged in, it's time to head over to your workspace. Look for the home vertical bar, your workspace name option. This will serve as your command center where you can access everything from your tasks, spaces, to personal settings. Upon accessing your workspace, the next step is to navigate to your team space. This is where you and your colleagues collaborate, share files, and manage projects. Click on the designated space allocated for your team's collaborative efforts. In your team space, you will find various projects that are ongoing, planned, or completed. Proceed to click on the respective project you are working on or managing. Projects are essential in Clickup as they allow you to organize tasks and deadlines efficiently. After selecting your project, the next move is to focus on a specific task. Tasks are where the real details lie. Deadlines, descriptions, attachments, and comments related to the project are all here. Click on the task you wish to add an emoji to. This brings us to the core of our tutorial, adding an emoji. In the specific task you've selected, there will be an option to write a comment. Comments are a great way to keep the communication flowing within your team. It's also where you can add a touch of personality or clarity with emojis. Start by writing your comment or feedback in the comment box. After you've typed your comment, you'll notice an Add Emoji button. This small yet significant feature allows you to express emotions, make your comments more engaging, and sometimes even help in conveying your message more effectively. Click on this button. You will be greeted by a diverse array of emojis covering a wide range of emotions, activities, and symbols. Feel free to scroll through the list and find the emoji that perfectly encapsulates your mood, message, or just something fun to add to the conversation. Clicking on the emoji will immediately add it to your comment. Once you've selected your desired emoji and it appears in your comment, you're almost done. Review your comment to ensure it communicates exactly what you intend, emoji included. If everything looks good, go ahead and post your comment. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to add a bit of personality and clarity to your team's communication on Clickup. Remember, the key to a thriving workspace is not just about efficient task management, but also about fostering a positive and expressive team environment. Emojis, as small as they might seem, can play a significant role in achieving just that. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Whether you're a project manager wanting to spice up project discussions, or a team member aiming to make your updates a bit more colourful, I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your work on Clickup even more productive and engaging.